Hello friends, today we are going to discuss noun part 1. So grammatical words which works as a subject as an object is called a noun, and we have discussed it earlier in a noun introduction, how to identify nouns in first videos. Let's see, grammatical words means which type of word which never be you can search in dictionary. The first things generally you can say that, and the word subject and object which comes to you to identify a noun, and the definition of noun is subject which always be a noun and object also a noun. In another way we can also find it before noun, before verb subject comes and after verb object comes. Let's see today kinds of noun. There are lots of ways to classify the noun. The first one is the traditional. Traditionally, we have studied earlier in general classes at the +2 levels, and computationally we have to analyze it in details. So a proper noun, common, collective, material and abstract. You are familiar with these words and these kinds. Let's see, we have to analyze in another way to understand it better and never forget this. Can I ask you, a proper noun, is it singular or plural? It is singular. Singular means a noun which always in singular form. It means one. Can it be a plural? No. Common noun, yes, it is singular and it can be plural. Collective, yes, it is singular and it cannot be plural. It can be plural. Material, it is a mass noun, uncount noun, so it is neither singular nor plural, but it is considered as singular. In the another, traditionally we can say that according to a visibility, noun can be classified into classes: concrete noun and abstract noun. Concrete noun, what it means, further I will discuss it. Countable, we have to get a new definition and conceptual definitions for countable noun to identify it. Noun which we make singular to plural, that is called countable. Here the main point is singular to plural. A noun which can make singular to plural, वैसा नाउन जिसे हम सिंगुलर से प्लूरल बना सकते हैं, वही काउंटेबल नाउन कहला सकता है. ऐसे भी हम बोल सकते हैं अ नाउन विच कैन बी प्लूरेट, किया जा सके. Only common noun and collective noun, only two nouns which is countable among these kinds. Uncountable nouns, this is a very important for computationally way, because we never identify is it countable or uncountable, so it is uncountable. Let's see carefully. A noun which never be a plural, it means वो नाउन जो कभी प्लूरल नहीं किया जा सके, सिंगुलर टू प्लूरल नहीं हो सके जिसका. और दूसरा इंफॉर्मेशन कि इट ऑलवेज कंसीडर एज सिंगुलर, ये हमेशा सिंगुलर कंसीडर किया जाता है. आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर कि क्या होता है, ये अनकाउंट नाउन ना सिंगुलर कैटेगरी में आएगा ना प्लूरल कैटेगरी में आएगा, इसीलिए इट ऑलवेज कंसीडर एज अ सिंगुलर. इफ वी ट्राई टू मेक इट प्लूरल, इट मीनिंग विल चेंज. यहाँ बताया जा रहा है कि अनकाउंटेबल नाउन को हम कभी भी प्लूरल करने की कोशिश नहीं करते हैं. अगर करते हैं तो इसका मीनिंग जो होना चाहिए वो बदल जाएगा. जैसे आप यहाँ देखिए, अनकाउंटेबल नाउन जिसका दूसरा नाम आप कह सकते हैं मास नाउन एंड अनकाउंट नाउन. आयरन, इट इज अनकाउंटेबल नाउन, एंड व्हेन वी ट्राई टू मेक इट add as to make it plural, its meaning will change. कॉपर, तांबा, कॉपर्स, तांबा का सिक्का. वर्क्स, वर्क काम आप जान रहे हैं, और वर्क्स एस लगाते ही इसका मीनिंग बदल जाता है. वे रास्ता, वेज, यहाँ पर जो हम एस लगाए इसका मीनिंग चेंज हो गया तरीका. गुड्स, फोर्स, सैंड, एयर, वाटर, सभी का यहाँ पर मैंने डिस्कस किया है. आपको बताना है is it useful for you, then you have to comment it. Proper noun also considered as singular. We know that. Here we have discussed it. Proper noun always considered singular, never be a plural. Now concrete nouns. Here concrete noun and abstract noun according to visibility. So concrete noun, a noun which can be seen or touched. ऐसा नाउन जिसे हम देख सकते हैं और छू सकते हैं वो कॉन्क्रीट नाउन कहलाता है. जिसमें कौन कौन सा नाउन आता है? तो उसमें प्रॉपर, कॉमन, कलेक्टिव, मटेरियल, सभी नाउन है. इट कैन बी सीन और टच, इट कैन बी सीन और टच, इट कैन बी सीन और टच, इट कैन बी सीन और टच. Only one kinds of noun in traditionally which cannot be seen or touched, that is called abstract noun. So this is the detailed analysis of kinds of noun. In next videos we'll give you common error based on these concepts. In next videos we are going to present common error on above concepts. Hope you understand. Thank you.